Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Once again, today with our next recipe that we are going to do is a common recipe, everyone does it, mango lassi. So for that we need a few ingredients, and before that in my city here we are going through another heat wave which is very warm. I hardly sleep in the night, and sometimes even in the middle of the night I come out and to make a mango lassi or a lassi, different kind of lassis. So do check it out. We have in our inbox like different kind of lassis, so do check it out on other types of lassis, how can be made. This is my first fruit lassi, so let's get into the kitchen without further delay. To make this mango lassi or mango buttermilk, we need a few ingredients, and this is the mangoes that I cut them down from my previous video on the tutorial on how to peel a mango. And if you are not sure, I will link it down on my description box. Please watch that video. And also I have powdered sugar here, I have grounded cardamom. I also will link how to ground your cardamom seeds into powder, and I have some pounded cashew nuts, 1 cup of yogurt. We'll be using a little bit of salt, few sprigs of mint, half a cup of milk, and some ice cubes. So these are the ingredients that we need to make the mango lassi. So let's get into the kitchen without further delay. Our first step is to add the mangoes. So I have the chopped mangoes and I'm just going to add them into the grinder. I'm going to use all of them. Actually, we need more mangoes so the mango flavor will be there. So when it comes to this size, you can cut them into half, and then into another quarter, and another side, and also here. And we'll add them together. So same with the others. The mangoes are already been added, so the next is we'll add the sugar. So I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons. I like it to be a little sweet. So approximately about 3 tablespoons, but it's upon your desire how much you want. And now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Very little, a pinch, even this is too much, about this much only. It's just to boost up the flavor. And we will grind this with some milk first, a 1/4 cup of milk, then the rest we will add in later. So we are ready to grind it. The fresh mangoes are being pureed, and now we can add the yogurt. And the balanced milk, and here I shall add approximately about 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, just to give some extra flavor. and we shall grind it now. Well, the yogurt is been mixed already, so now we can add some ice cubes. And we shall grind this also. And our mango lassi is ready. Now it's time for the garnishing. We shall have 2 cups, and also we shall add some ice cubes. And here we shall add a special ingredient which I did not put it in the list of the ingredients. Now I'm going to add. So about half a teaspoon of rose water. Not much, just about half a teaspoon. Approximately about this much. We'll add some rose water. It will give a beautiful flavor. And our next ingredient, we shall add the grounded mango lassi. And now we shall start garnishing the other parts as well. So we shall add the grounded cashews, this is upon your desire, how much also you can use. And our next, we shall add a pinch of the cardamom powder again. Just a tiny pinch, not too much. And finally, we shall garnish it with some sprigs of mint leaves. And here we go. This is your mango lassi. And dear viewers, our final product for mango lassi. It is pretty simple, straightforward. This is a signature dish of Friday Friendly Kitchen. So it might look different from others who does their own way. So this is my version of making mango lassi. Typical Desi, and it's beautifully done. So let me know in your comments how your mango lassi turned out. So so I shall ask you to try it out in your home and let me know. Thank you very much for viewing Friday Friendly Kitchen, and those who are new, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for further notices, whatever notices that we get. For those who are been there with me from my day one, and I thank you and I appreciate all that, your patience and so on. So do try it and let me know in the comment section below, and see you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye.